What is your favorite subject?
English. I love English.
Have you ever failed your exams?
Dispossible. I am very work harding.
What do you want to be in the future?
Airplane driver.
Earlier, you told me you are good at English, but it doesn't seem right.
Squeeze me. You are unrespecting me.
But it's true, isn't it?
It is discorrect. You are judgmental.
But your pronunciation says it all, doesn't it?
You are covering a book by its judgi.